What's up YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you solve and write division equations. This is the fourth and final video that I'm teaching you solve and write the equations, and of course I made the three other lessons where I taught you guys solve and write addition, subtraction, and multiplication equations. So if you want to check out that video that I made, those three videos, I'll leave a link in the description below, of course, so you can check that out if you want. But for this one is solve and write division equations. Basically, it's like multiplication. It's like basically the other three that I taught you, but for this one is division. It's like multiplication, but that's what you do. Well, anyways, I'll show you how it works in this video. So here, m over 5 equal 9. Now what do you do for this one? Very easy. You do just like what you did for multiplication, but except you multiply, not divide. So basically 5 times 9, and the final answer would be, it would be 45. It's that simple. So basically what you do is multiply. For the division equations, you multiply, but for multiplication equations, you divide. So this one is slightly different. So k over 5 equal 11. What do you do? Again, you multiply it, so it'll be 5 times 11, and the final answer would be 55. So 5 times 11 is 55. Y over 4 equal 8. What do you do? Four times 8 equal 32. It's that simple, guys. Last but not least, x over 8 equal 9. Now what do you do? Last but not least, 8 times 9, and the final answer would be 72. And there you go, guys. Now I'm going to briefly tell you how you solve and write division equations. So for this one, instead of dividing, basically you multiply. So like for example, y over 4 equal 8. What do you do? All you have to do is multiply by the two numbers. So 4 and 8. You multiply it, and the final answer would be 32. That's all you have to do for this one. It's just like addition, subtraction, and multiplication equations. So I'll explain to you how you solve the whole thing. So for addition equations, you subtract the two numbers. For subtraction equations, you add the two numbers. And for multiplication equations, you divide the two numbers. And for this one, division equations, you multiply the two numbers. And this is how you solve and write division equations. And I've taught you the other three, so there you go. Those are the four equations that I solve with you guys. So that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that was the final video of me teaching you solve and write the equations, which is division. And of course, if you want to check out the other three equations where it's addition, subtraction, and multiplication, of course I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out if you want. And if you like this video, please leave a like. Please leave a like this time. And I'll try to teach you guys more of the math lessons in the future, so stay tuned for those. Alrighty guys, so I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.